Okay, what I have here is a new ceiling fan that I just installed, and I am having problems with it. It's got an LED light, and I've got an old house. It's only got a 2-wire going to the light fixture. It does not have a ground wire. So the problem is, turn the light off with the pull chain, it glows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix this without having to tear into the ceiling, tear into the drywall and run new wires. I'm going to fix this. I want to make a disclaimer. If you're not an electrician, if you haven't been trained in electrical, you don't know what you're doing, you shouldn't do this. Pay to have it done by a licensed electrician. And also make sure the breaker to the light is off. There's no power at the light when you begin work on this. I have this relay I found on Amazon. It's a double pole, double throw relay with a 120 volt coil rated at 8 amps, which is plenty amperage for this LED light. This is the light fixture. What I'm doing is here's my pull chain for my light fixture. And what I'm doing is I got 120 volts in. My pull chain is normally open, so I don't have power going through my 120 volt coil because my pull chain is open. So my normally open contacts on both the hot side going through the light fixture and going back to the common is open. So I'm breaking both my hot and my common to the light. That will keep it from glowing. Now when I pull this chain, this switch will close, so I'll have current going through my coil. What that does is that brings these normally open contacts, pins 3 and 4, this switch will pull in and close. So and this switch will pull in and close here. So I will have a path for current flow to go through my light back to common. So by using this relay, I'm breaking both the hot and common side just to my light fixture. So here it is after I've wired it up. I've got my hot wire coming from my pull chain switch to the coil, and then it jumps from the coil to the common, the contacts down below. And I've got my common wire, the white wire, coming from my group of common wires, going into my other side of my coil, my 120 volt coil, and then it jumps down to the common of the other set of contacts. And then when this coil, when it gets 120 volts, this coil will pull in, closing the contacts, sending power from here all the way to here, which goes to my LED pack, my lights. And here's my common coming from my lights. Now, gotta make sure this is going to fit in here. It's definitely going to fit. Okay, here the light is just reinstalled with the LED in it. We're going to see how it works. And it does not glow anymore. So now we'll be able to have the ceiling fan on while we're sleeping. Please help me out with my channel by smacking that thumbs up and subscribing to see more videos. Thanks for watching.